Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Professor Dr. Dayana Barnovishu, Professor Dr. Samsu Yusuf LN MPD, and all who participate this seminar. Introduce myself. My name is Rinrin Reza. I will present about my result of research. Please your attention. Thank you. This is my PowerPoint. Group Cohesiveness Profile of Junior High School Students. Introduction. Teens begin rely more on friends than parents for closeness and support. This in line with the develop on the role of adolescents in adolescent social life. So that's the demand. So show a high level of group cohesiveness towards peers. More interest group members are agree on the target group, the more cohesive the group will be. The sociodrama discovered and developed by Moreno is one of the techniques that has been used to improve the developed individual skills needed to support effectiveness of interaction with their social environment. Sociorama is a group experience as a procedure for social exploration and transformation of conflict between groups. Sociodrama techniques stimulate the develop and student attitude, knowledge, and skills in the learning service excellence. So, cohesivity, wholeness, or unity is a force, either positive or negative, that cause members to remain the group. Integrity is a characteristic of the group as a whole based on individual commitment within the group. This condition of members who experience warmth, comfort in the group, the feeling of belonging to our being part of the group. The feeling is being valued and feeling accepted and supported in the group. Group cohesiveness is very important because groups with high cohesiveness have a higher level of productivity than groups with low cohesiveness. Component of cohesiveness, there is four component is divided into four as follow from four sheet. For four sheet, there are social cohesion, task cohesion, perceived cohesion, emotional cohesion. Next factor of cohesiveness, there are five gitu follows for sheet. First, it will be quantitative approach method with descriptive method and research design use survey research. Nah, the study population is all of student SMP PGI 2 Bandung ya, consisting of class 7, 8, and 9 gitu. The questionnaire, I make the questionnaire about cohesiveness from 4 sheets. There are 4 komponen yang first social cohesion, task cohesion, perceived cohesion, and emotional cohesion. Then analysis use first model and IBM statistics. Findings and discussion cohesiveness of student at SMP PGI 2 Bandung for the 2019 and 2020 academic year. Profile of the student of SMP PGI Bandung academic year is in the very low category. This indicated by the percentage of very low category group cohesiveness of 31%. It can be seen that 29 students are in the low and very low categories compared to the high and very high categories. Group cohesiveness of class 7, yeah, There are students who are class 7 student of SMPPGY 2 Bandung. There are in the high category. Group cohesiveness of class 8 student of SMPPGY 2 Bandung tends to be in the low category. Class 9 student of SMPPG 2 Bandung tend to be in the high category. Group cohesiveness has been optimally built, but the guidance and counseling services are still needed in the increase to group cohesiveness. Profile of the group cohesivity component of SMPPG 2 Bandung. So there is from the component four component, the social, task, perceive, and emotionally. Nah, for the generally student of SMP PGI 2 Bandung are in the high category itu for social cohesion, feeling cohesion, and emotional cohesion, while task cohesion is low. Yeah. Okay, for the class 7, for the class 7, do not have yet effective intensity in the group, which is often described as a sense of togetherness, positive affective feeling. Yeah. Uh, the result of the data processing show that grade 8 already have positive affective feeling, helping classmates, providing construction opinions, encouraging personal, and then profile of class 9 already have affective feeling, improvement personal, uh, and then however, yeah, there is no affective intensity in a group, which is often described as a sense of community, helping classmates, and providing constructive opinions. So conclusion and recommendation is based on the result of study, the group cohesiveness of student at SMPPG 2 Bandung in the uh, 2019 and 2020 school year is generally in the low category when viewed from the four components of group cohesiveness, yeah, namely social cohesion, cohesion of task, cohesion of feelings or perceive, yeah, then empathic cohesion, the tendency of the student group cohesiveness component of SMP PG2 Bandung is in the high category for social cohesion, personal cohesion, and emotional cohesion, while low task on cohesion. So, hypothetical group guidance program using sociodrama technique is needed for all grades level, namely grades 7, 9, 8, and 9. But class 7 group cohesiveness requires a program that can improve all aspects because all aspects that cover group cohesiveness are in the low category. For class 8, requires a program that can improve social and tax aspect because these aspects are in the low category, and to class 9 cohesiveness requires a program that can improve social and perceived aspect. Yeah, for guidance and counseling teacher provide a group guidance services that have been designed for students and develop techniques so students that receive services for the improvement of richer group cohesiveness. School are expected to facilitate activities that have been designed within the framework of guidance and counseling. Further researchers are expected to able to carry out the same research using a qualitative approach, so as to produce a more comprehensive study and use a longitudinal study research design, so the development of group cohesiveness can be seen in the research subject. There are from my presenting, so thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.